Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss the Societies Registration Act. In order to promote the formal organization of groups of like-minded people, the British Indian Empire incorporated the Societies Registration Act, which came into force on May 21, 1860. The Act is still applicable and being an Act of Parliament comes under the Right to Information Act. So, in this video, I will discuss the provisions of Societies Registration Act 1860 in brief. Next, Section 1 of this Act states that societies will be formed by memorandum of association and registration, that is, any 7 or more persons associated for any literary, scientific, or charitable purpose or for any such purpose as is described in Section 20 of this Act that we will discuss later in this video only, may by subscribing their names to a memorandum of association and filing the same with the registrar of joint stock companies form themselves into a society under this act. Now, the question is, what is meaning of memorandum? The literal meaning of memorandum is a document recording the terms of contract or other legal details, especially for the future use. Now, the next question is, what is meaning of memorandum of association? The memorandum of association is a document of rules and regulations of respective society, and it contains the name of the society, the objects of the society, the names, address, and occupations of the governors, council, directors, committee, or other governing body to whom, by the rules of the society, the management of its affairs is entrusted. Last but not the least, a copy of the rules and regulations of the society, certified to be a correct copy by not less than 3 of the members of the governing body, shall be filed with the memorandum of association. Further, Section 5 of this Act states that the property, movable and immovable, belonging to a society registered under this Act, if not vested in trustees, shall be deemed to be vested for the time being in the governing body of such society, and in all proceedings, civil and criminal, may be described as the property of the governing body of such society by their proper title. Further, Section 6 of this Act states that every society registered under this Act may sue or be sued in the name of the President, Chairman, or Principal Secretary, or trustees as shall be determined by the rules and regulations of the society, and in default of such determination, in the name of such person as shall be appointed by the governing body for the occasion, provided that it shall be competent for any person having a claim or demand against the society to sue the president or chairman or principal secretary or the trustees thereof, if on application to the governing body some other officer or person be not nominated to be the defendant. Now the question is, how to dissolve a registered society? Section 13 of this Act states that any number not less than 3/5 of the members of any society may determine that it shall be dissolved and thereupon it shall be dissolved forthwith, or at the time then agreed upon, and all necessary steps shall be taken for the disposal and settlement of the property of the society, its claims and liabilities according to the rules of the said society applicable thereto, if any, and if not, then as the governing body shall find expedient, provided that in the event of any dispute arising among the said governing body or the members of the society, the adjustment of its affairs shall be referred to the principal court of original civil jurisdiction of the district in which the chief building of the society is situated, and the court shall make such order in the matter as it shall deem requisite. Now, the question is, what are the types of societies that come under this Act? As defined in Section 20 of this Act, following are the types of societies that come under this Act: charitable societies, societies established for the promotion of science, literature, or the fine arts, for instruction, the diffusion of useful knowledge, the diffusion of political education. Next, the foundation or maintenance of libraries or reading rooms for general use among the members or open to the public, and public museums and galleries of painting and other works of art, collections of natural history, mechanical and philosophical inventions, instruments or designs. Likewise, this is all about Societies Registration Act.